Old Stone House is designed as a weekend retreat for a young couple, set on a stunning 6.6-acre mountaintop site in the Hudson Valley. In Phase 1 of the master plan, the original 2.5-story, 2,000 sqft house was stripped down to its 3 masonry walls and foundation, then transformed into a 1,000 sqft single-story structure with a 300 sqft addition and basement. The client, fond of the local stone walls, requested that this feature be preserved in the new design. A new roof and wall envelop the existing stone structure, creating a simple barn-like form filled with natural light, inviting the outdoors inside. The rough texture of the stone is juxtaposed with a black standing seam metal roof and stained cedar siding, creating a unified, monolithic appearance. Pronounced anodized aluminum plates surround the window and door openings, further accentuating the contrast between the old and the new. The main area features an open-plan loft, combining the living room, dining, and kitchen. A 16-foot high cathedral ceiling with a 16 feet by 5 feet north-facing skylight disperses soft light throughout the day, while large south-facing sliding doors offer a mountain view and lead to a teak deck stretching across the entire south facade. The double-height feature wall conceals a retractable projector screen and is surrounded by casual seating with a freestanding wood-burning stove. Vintage heavy iron legs support the dining table, adding an industrial touch, complemented by a custom pendant light overhead. A new ribbon window is inserted into the existing masonry opening, framing the sunset view from the kitchen. The interior palette includes white painted sheetrock walls, wire brush gray oak floors, and exposed stained roof framing, offering a serene contrast. The kitchen features charcoal gray lacquered shaker-style cabinetry, adding warmth to the space. Modestly sized bedrooms and a bathroom are grouped in the new structure on the east side, with exposed and white-painted ceiling framing. This modern rustic design is carefully arranged to capture soft morning light through strategically placed windows. Herringbone-patterned Carrara white marble tiles, a custom oak vanity, and hand-blown pendant lights create a calm and soothing ambience in the bathroom.